we have division of rational numbers. In the first example, we have to divide two mixed numbers. So first we have to check the sign. First number doesn't have any sign. It means it's positive. The second is negative. So we divide positive number by negative number. When we divide positive by negative or negative by positive, the rule is the same like for multiplication. Is negative. The result is negative. So we will have negative sign, and in parentheses we have to divide these two mixed numbers. So I will change these mixed numbers to improper fractions. How we do this? We copy the numerator and we multiply denominator times whole number plus 1. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. We copy division sign, and another mixed number, we copy the numerator and we multiply. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Close parenthesis. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite. And now we copy first fraction. We change the division sign to multiplication. And we have to flip the second fraction. So it will be 3 over 14. This is equal. Before we do multiplication of fractions, we always check if we can reduce. When we reduce, we divide numerator and denominator by the same number. We have 13, we cannot reduce. We have 3, 3 we can reduce with 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So now it will be very easy to do multiplication of these two fractions. We copy negative sign and we have 13 times 1, we multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 13 times 1 is 13. 1 times 14 is 14. So we got our solution. Next example, we have division of two negative numbers. When we divide two negative numbers, or we multiply two negative numbers, the rule is the same. We will get positive number. So negative over negative give me positive, and we have to divide 12.03 by 0.3. Two decimal numbers, so let's do long division. We have 12.03 divide by 0.3. The divisor cannot be decimal number, so we have to move the decimal point to the right side 1 digit, because we move here 1 digit decimal point. We have to do the same with another number, so decimal point will be between 0 and 3. So let me rewrite this. We have to divide 12, decimal point will be between 0 and 3 by 3 now. How many times we can put 3 to 12? 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtraction will be 0. We don't have to write. Now we have 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. Subtraction. We have to take up decimal point and take down next digit. So we have 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtraction. We finish long division. And we got that 12.03 divided by 0.3. This is equal. Positive sign we don't have to write. Solution is 40.1. Next example. We have now negative number divided by positive. Negative divided by positive. Answer is the same like positive divided by negative. The same like for multiplication. The answer is negative. So we copy negative sign and we have 0.5 divided by 20. We have decimal number and whole number, so we can change decimal number to fraction, or we can do long division. So we have 0.5 divided by 20. How many times we can put 0? 20 to 0. 0. 0 times 20 is 0. We take up the decimal point. 0 minus 0 is 0. We don't have to write. We take down next digit. So we have 5 divided by 20 is 0. 0 times 20 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Because we didn't finish long division, we will add few zeros. Let's put 2. At the beginning, we take down next 0, so it will be 50 divided by 20 is 2. 2 times 20 is 40. Subtraction will be 10. We take down next digits will be 100 divided by 20 is 5. So 5 times 20 is 100. Subtraction. We finish long division. We have solution. Negative sign we copy, and we have 0.025. This is my solution.